We've seen all kinds of industrial accidents through our experience. We've seen poor management of work sites where hazards are unmarked and people are injured as a result. We've seen many cases involving falls from heights, whether it's off a ladder or off of scaffolding or off a roof where there isn't proper fall protection in place. We've seen cases involving electrocution death, electrical injury, gas explosions, and fires. When it comes to an industrial-related accident, unfortunately, the types of injuries we tend to see are among the most catastrophic. Many of our cases involve death. Many of our cases involve paralysis, severe brain injury, amputation. When it comes to workplace injuries, it's absolutely critical that the scene be preserved and documented as soon after the injury as possible. One of the problems with workplace injuries is that the employer or the general contractor wants to go on with the business after the injury happens. They want to continue doing the work. And as soon as that happens, the scene is no longer preserved in the condition it was at the time of the injury, and it can be very hard to recreate that evidence. If you've been injured in a workplace incident, you need to do two things. One is you need to tell your employer right away, because that will start the process towards getting you paid your workers' comp benefits that you deserve. Number two, you should contact us right away, because once you contact us, we will put the employer, the general contractor, on notice right away. We're going to request that all of the equipment be preserved, and we're going to want to get an expert out there to the scene right away to photograph and document the condition. If you've been injured in a workplace injury, you have the right to pursue workers' compensation benefits. Workers' comp benefits are great because you don't have to prove who is at fault for causing your injury. All you have to show is that you were injured on the job. That's the good side. The bad side is that workers' comp benefits are limited. You're limited to recovering a percentage of your average wages, plus the medical expenses needed for your work-related injury. If you die from a work-related injury, there is a workers' comp death benefit that you can recover, but nothing else. So that's why you also need to consult with us about whether you may have a claim beyond just your workers' comp claim. That would involve a claim against somebody other than your own employer. And that other party could be a general contractor or another subcontractor on the site, or it could be the manufacturer of equipment that was responsible for your injury, or it could be somebody who was supposed to be responsible for servicing and maintaining the equipment that was responsible for your injury. Or it could even be just somebody who's visiting the work site. We have extensive experience handling cases involving industrial-related accidents. We've done every kind of accident imaginable in every kind of workplace and industrial setting you can imagine. So we're a great choice to handle any case involving an industrial accident. We do not handle workers' comp cases. So if you have a workers' comp case, we will work with you to find the right lawyer. So especially in an industrial accident case, the very first thing we want to know is when did this happen and what was done to report it, because we want to take steps right away to document the evidence, to put the employer or the owner of the site where the accident occurred on notice that we're representing you so that all of the evidence can be documented and preserved, and we have the ability to go there and see it and photograph it and inspect it before anything changes that might compromise your ability to pursue your case.